We can see that x plus y whole square can be written as x plus y into x plus y. So now we'll see. Now x plus y, you can see we have written it twice, x plus y into x plus y. So now I'm using the distributive law. For the time being, you consider this x first bracket as a. This is your a, and treat this x as b, and this treat this y as c. So according to this distributive law, you can open this. I'm just writing it x a b. A b means a. I have assumed this as x plus y. So this is x plus y into x, and a c. So this is x plus y into y. Now you know this is again the distributive property. So you can open this x into x, x square. This is xy, and here also you can open this xy plus y square. So your answer is coming now x squared, xy, these two are like terms. So it can be written as 2xy, and this is y square. So this is how I have proved this is that LHS equal to RHS. Though this proof will not come in the exam, but it is always advisable to learn things conceptually, because once you learn things conceptually, you will not forget. You can see that you remember some movies that you watch with interest, you never forget. So similarly, if you take interest in proving all these identities, then you will not forget in your life. When you can take my example also, I never mugged up any property, any identity. Just I learned how to from where these have come. So I know the source of how to generate them, and I can generate my own identities also. You can see in later examples, later classes, that I can make my own identities also once I know the basic concepts. Now this you can now try yourself. I'm just giving you hint how you can start with this, that x minus y whole square. Again you can write this as x minus y and x minus y also. And I'm gonna ask also that have you solved all these from your side or not, and what other practice or other ways are there to show that this equal to this. Now come to this identity number third. This identity is that x plus y, x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. Or this identity can also be written as, or see, this is up to us how we write it. X plus y, this is x minus y, this is equal to x square minus y square. So you can take any of the side and you can prove the other side. So I'm now taking my LHS side, which is x plus y, x minus y. Now I will open it using distributive property. Again I'll consider this term x plus y as a, this as b, and this as c. So I'm going to open this x plus y into x minus x plus y into y. So this way I have opened this LHS. Now I'm going to multiply this x into x. This is x square plus xy, and if you multiply here, then it is xy and minus y square. So you can see this plus minus will get cancelled, and your answer will be then x square minus y square, which is equal to the RHS. So this identity has also proved this way. Now this fourth one, I'm sure now you can try this yourself, and you have done in class 8th also. So try this way, and I want the proof of this also with the help of distributive law. This is your identity number 5, x plus y plus z whole square. This is x square plus y square, z square, 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. Now again we can solve this with the help of distributive law. So now you see how I prove this. This is LHS. This is x plus y plus z whole square. So you know that this whole square can be written twice. So this is x plus y plus z bracket x plus y plus z. So now for the time being, you can see that x plus y plus z as a, and this you can consider this a, b, c. So you know if it is, I'm just writing this in the corner with the help of this black pen. You can see this. If it is a bracket, this is b plus c plus d. So how you open this? This is ab plus ac plus ad. So this is like how we open the bracket if it is like this. So similar approach we are going to follow here also, and I just want to clear this. This is again a distributive law, but how distributive law, that we can ask from you. Now you see this you consider this as A, which I have assumed this here, this as B, this as C, and this as D. And now I open this with the help of this identity. You can say this law, this x plus y plus z, you take this as A and this is as x. Again you can write x plus y plus z as then y, and then you can take again x plus y plus z as z. So now you have got these terms. Now we open the bracket. This is x into x, so this is x square. X into y, this is xy, and x into z, this is zx. Come to this, y into x is yx, this is y into y square, y into z is yz. Come to this, x into z is xz, yz, and then it is z square. So take all square terms together. So this is x square, this is y square, this is z square, and you can see this zx. You can start with yx. This is first yx term, and there is another yx term. You can see this xy term. So this is xy, and this is also xy. So this becomes 2xy. Now come to this zx, and this is also zx. So this becomes 2zx. And now this is zx is over, yz, this is yz, and this is also yz. So this becomes 2yz. So now this has come equal to RHS. So the proof is with you now. Now I'm going to prove this identity number 6, which is x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So I'm going to prove this, and you are going to prove this yourself. So let's start with the LHS. That LHS is x plus y whole cube. Now this can be written as x plus y square into x plus y, because I'm just giving you an example. If it is a cube, you can write this as a square into a. So I have taken this x plus y whole square into x plus y. Why I have taken this x plus y whole square? Because I know the identity of x plus y whole square. It can be written as x square plus 2xy plus y square, and this is your x plus y. Now we take this first bracket as a. So if it is a, then ax plus ay. I can use distributive law. So this becomes x square plus 2xy plus y square bracket x plus x square plus 2xy plus y square bracket y. Here you can say put bracket, you can put bracket, it's optional now. So x into x, this is x cube, and this becomes 2x square y. This becomes xy square. Open this now. This is x square y, and this becomes 2xy square, and this becomes y cube. So now I am writing all highest terms together. So it's x cube, this is y cube, this is y cube, this is x cube. Now you see this is 2x square y, and this is your this one is x square y. So I'm taking the black color so that you can see here. This is 2xy, 2x square y, and this is x square y. So these are the like terms. If you add, this becomes 3x square y. Now second like terms, you can see this xy square, and this is 2xy square. So these are again the like terms. You can add, so it becomes 3xy square. So this way we have proved this identity, and I want some of you try this identity also. And now the identities are over. We'll start the exercise.